Let's make a country ham and egg sandwich. First, start by heating your ham in an iron skillet. Make sure you don't overheat. Approximately 30 to 45 seconds per side is really all you need. I like mayonnaise on my bread and I also like to toast both sides. Then you add your slices of ham that you have heated. Fry an egg in the same skillet to your desired doneness. Then simply add it to the sandwich. I like my egg done over easy, and I also like to add black pepper to both sides of my bread. Then add your egg to the sandwich, put it together, and enjoy. The ham is salty, so taste before adding any salt. You can also toast the bread, but it is delicious either way.